The day we did the tree plantation, that is the point from where the responsibility start. Otherwise, उसके पहले के भी जो efforts हैं उसको प्लान को बड़ा करने में लगाने में all is wasted.
Hi everyone, today we are talking about sustainability. We have with us Ms. Nidhi Singh, CEO at Grow Billion Trees.
We found the gap in the industry. Everyone is more towards just planting trees. Corporate didn't have any transparency कि क्या हुआ, जो पेड़ लगे थे. The day we did the tree plantation, that is the point from where the responsibility start. Otherwise, उसके पहले के भी जो efforts हैं उसको प्लान को बड़ा करने में लगाने में all is wasted.
You left your very good corporate tech job and moved into this groundwork of plantation where, so wasn't that a nightmare for you? Because
If you want to do something in a life, you have to be in that leap of faith, and we are seeing real improvement into their livelihood. And the happiness of it's an immense pleasure. You can't compare it with money or anything. So we chose our oldest project, जहाँ से भी farmer को income आनी शुरू हो गई है. The shift in their income is 3 to 5x. जो हम एक monocrop से 30 to 35,000 earn कर पा रहे थे. Now I am able to earn 1.25 lakh plus
Wow.
with the same farm.
but एक thought हमेशा रहता है, once we go, we do the photo shoot sessions and do the public awareness. उस पौधे का क्या होता है उसे
Future.
आज मैंने पानी दे दिया है, 2 दिन बाद कौन देगा?
वेलकम बैक टू पार्ट 2। अगर पार्ट 1 ने हमें प्लांटेशन के बेसिक साइंस को समझाया था, तो पार्ट 2 उस साइंस के रियल वर्ल्ड के एप्लीकेशन को ओपन करता है। तो हम यहाँ बात करने वाले हैं सर्वाइवल रेट के रियल फैक्टर्स, मॉनिटरिंग की ग्राउंड रियलिटी, कम्युनिटी इन्वॉल्वमेंट का इम्पैक्ट और वो सिस्टम्स जो प्लांटेशन को लॉन्ग टर्म सस्टेनेबल बनाते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं पार्ट 2।
निधि जी, एक चीज और समझनी थी, जैसे दैट वी डिस्कस्ड कि अगर एक इंडिविजुअल पेड़ लगाएगा या पौधा लगाएगा तो उसका टेक केयर नहीं हो पाएगा उससे, एंड यू मेंशन यू हैव द टीम एंड द एक्सपर्टीज एंड नॉलेज दैट व्हाट कैटेगरी ऑफ ट्री or particular plant in what geographic location you suggest and you take care for 3 years. So what is the difference that you observed कि एक आम इंसान ट्री लगाता है, पेड़ लगाता है, और एक आप ट्री लगा रहे हैं, आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ट्री लगा रही है. What is the difference of the success rate of survival of that tree? और इसमें आप जितने ट्रीज लगा रहे हैं उसमें सर्वाइवल रेट आपको क्या ऑब्जर्व हुआ है? कुछ लॉस तो होता होगा.
Yes, बिल्कुल. So I would say, see, it's not about कि individual लगा रहा है या हम as a company लगा रहे हैं. If you follow the right set of instructions or maybe the right set of SOP, it is achievable.
Okay.
आप भी लगा सकते हैं. It's just you have to do more R&D. Maybe you have to learn more. Our platforms are there, and nowadays AI is so intelligent that will give you. But you have to be committed enough. कि भाई अब आपने लगाया है, अब आपको इसको 3 साल रेगुलर ध्यान रखना है.
Okay.
So that's what I mentioned for the best survival. So as you also asked, what is the survival rate? So we till now we were able to plan 2.5 million, you can say, in last 2 years, and with the 90% plus survival rate.
That's a big number.
Yes. So it's about कि आपका सबसे बड़ा फोकस होना चाहिए कि अभी मुझे इसको एंड तक ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है. एंड इनिशियली व्हेन यू आर चूजिंग अ लोकेशन, सो आप इंडिविजुअल एज अ इंडिविजुअल आप कहीं एक पेड़ भी लगा रहे हैं, ऑफ कोर्स इट विल सर्वाइव, इट विल थ्राइव विद द राइट सेट ऑफ थिंग्स कि आपने नेटिव ट्री चूज किया, आपने उसका पानी का बिल्कुल ध्यान रखना. वाटरिंग शेड्यूल इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. आपने इसकी सिक्योरिटी का ध्यान रखा है, आप उसको मॉनिटर कर रहे हो, अगर उसमें कुछ इश्यू आ रहा है, कुछ पेस्ट अटैक हो रहा है या कुछ भी हो रहा है, सो यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. मे बी टाइमली उसकी डिविडिंग होना, प्रूनिंग होना, लोकल मैन्योर, लोकल फर्टिलाइजर यूज करना, दैट्स द ओनली थिंग यू शुड टेक.
Right.
And how we are able to achieve it, क्योंकि like as we said, as a platform we are aggregating the demand, so we are able to give the cost benefit to the customer as well, because मेरे पास रोज multiple requests आते हैं. In a month we have 2-3 cycles. After every week or maybe every weekend we are doing this much of batch processing of tree plantations. I'm talking about individual. If corporate projects are big enough तो वो आप किसी भी point of time पे कहीं भी शुरू कर सकते हो. So suppose अभी आप एक एक जाके लगाएंगे, आपके लिए आपके ज्यादा एफर्ट्स लगेंगे उसमें, आप उसको ध्यान रखो करो। सबने अगर कलेक्टिवली करके, मैंने पूरा एक प्रोजेक्ट एक जगह किया, उस पूरी, सपोज आई एम वर्किंग विद फार्मर्स, तो लाइक in this thing farmer are taking care of the trees, they are helping us in taking care of those trees, and maybe suppose we have our many of our project in Indore city as well, तो मैंने common piece of land with the permissions जिसको कि green करना है फ्यूचर में लिया, उसकी प्रॉपर फेंसिंग की, उस पे वाटर सिस्टम इंस्टॉल किया, ड्रिप इरिगेशन, बोरवेल व्हाटएवर इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट बैच प्रोसेसिंग इट इज रिड्यूसिंग द कॉस्ट एंड द एफर्ट्स.
Okay.
So
So the volume matters.
volume matters.
Okay.
So this is how we are able to achieve it, and the survival, because उसके लिए फिर SOPs follow करना. We install our project manager from day one. These are the steps we should follow to get the maximum survival, to get the biodiversity and the maximum benefit to the nearby community and to the climate at that place. That's how we are able to achieve it.
Okay.
So anyone can plant with the proper SOPs, and those are very basic things. It's just how determined you are to contribute towards the maintaining of that plant. So where
Okay.
is that?
So it's basically like we observe and we have a discussion a lot in the neighborhood that यार मैंने कुछ पेड़ लगाए, कुछ flowers लगाए, कुछ fruits लगाए, but they didn't grow enough.
तो वो
So
सिर्फ
that is the-
लगाने पे नहीं होता है.
Exactly. You should have at least basic understanding और knowledge. आप थोड़ा सा awareness लें, आप knowledge लें, आप information gather करें what species you are planning to do, और उसका proper एक SOP के according अगर take care करेंगे, that it would be impactful and gives you the flower or fruits or whatever the productive outcome you are expecting.
So the day you planted a tree, it's like that baby has born now.
Mhm.
So now it's a long cycle
Right.
to take care of that baby, to help it grow. It's like that. So आपको वो सारे काम करने पड़ेंगे.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
अच्छा, आप corporate से तो connects करते हैं as part of the business. But I wanted to understand, how do you reach out to the farmers or different land parcels? As you mentioned, आप नॉर्थ में भी कर रहे हैं, आप महाराष्ट्र में कर रहे हैं, आप MP में कर रहे हैं, आप तमिलनाडु में कर रहे हैं. So I believe it is not that easy
Yeah.
to just go on the roads and talk to the farmers and make them understand, उन्हें समझाएं कि हम आपके जमीन पर, आपके फार्म पर हम ट्री लगाएंगे, ये पौधा लगाएंगे, ये फ्रूट्स लगाएंगे. So what is the model or the strategy you use to reach out to them?
So that is a very good question, I would say. So there are multiple factors. So one thing is बिल्कुल ही न्यू, कुछ रीजन ऐसे हैं इंडिया में, जैसे इफ यू टॉक अबाउट महाराष्ट्र एंड सतारा वाला रीजन, सोलापुर, they their farmers are into practices of doing commercial agroforestry
Okay.
farming. They are doing it for fruit plantation.
Okay.
So it's easy to convince them कि भाई मतलब प्लांटेशन होता है, सबको समझ में आता है, and they are also willing. See, if you didn't get community support,
Mhm.
no project will survive. आप कुछ भी कर लीजिए.
Right.
So there is one term we call social fencing.
Mhm.
That is required.
Okay.
सब लोग मिल के ध्यान रखते हैं पौधों का. अगर फार्मर के खेत में है तो फार्मर्स भी मिल के ध्यान रखते हैं,
बिल्कुल.
तब वो प्रोजेक्ट सर्वाइव
Absolutely.
करता है. So in certain region it's already a practice, so it's easy to convince them because those farmers have case studies. In some region there is not at all practice, वहाँ पे सिर्फ monocropping हो रही है. So initially लोगों को convince करना, उनको benefit देना, and in fact कई बार ऐसा होता है कि sometimes farmers are like अच्छा हमें फ्री में मिल रहा है, कुछ तो है और ऐसा है, तो they are not able to believe, या फिर अभी बीच में नहीं लगाना है क्योंकि इससे मेरी थोड़ी सी फसल कम हो जाएगी. बिकॉज सी फार्मर के लिए जेस्टेशन पीरियड इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पीरियड,
Exactly.
क्योंकि मतलब वो फूड तो आपको 3 साल बाद देने वाला,
उसे तो आज की चिंता.
उसको तो आज की चिंता है ना, 3 साल बाद किसने देखा है. तो कन्विंस देम कि इफ यू डू इट विद दिस प्रैक्टिस तो आपका अभी का काम भी चलता रहेगा, बिकॉज शुरू में तो फ्रूट ट्रीज छोटे होते हैं, तो आप अपनी पूरी फार्मिंग वैसे ही कर सकते हो. 3-4 साल में जब तक वो बड़े होंगे, जब तक वो कैनोपी देंगे, उसके बाद तो इनसे भी आपको यील्ड मिलेगी.
Right.
तो गिव देम दैट कैलकुलेशन
Okay.
टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस एंड टू सेट अप फर्स्ट फ्यू केस स्टडीज. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स टफ ऑन द ग्राउंड, एंड इन जनरल एज अ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, like some of the places we are running our own project, तो जब हम शुरू में करते हैं तो of course sometimes it's tough, there is some like pushback from the community, but gradually we move on by just doing more and more awareness campaigns. And in some of the region when we are new, we take help for this resource mobilization with our partner organizations as well,
Okay.
who have their local presence in that area.
Okay.
Because if you want to connect with them, you want to connect with the local people, local language
Mhm.
thing. And then we installed our project manager for like future growth or that project, and we do the partnerships with those like that.
निधि जी, आपने बताया कि आप मोर देन अ डिकेड से इस इंडस्ट्री में हैं और पर्टिकुलरली फार्मिंग और प्लांटेशन में हैं, आपके कॉम्पिटिटर्स भी होंगे। there would be many organization, NGOs or companies who are seeking initiatives. आपके कितने competitors होंगे and how or bad they are doing? क्योंकि हम समझते हैं that it's a business में बहुत सी चीज़ें होती है। 10,000 trees का लगाए हैं, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 3,000, we never know. बट यू गिव देम द पेपर्स और द कॉर्पोरेट्स को आपने बता दिया है कि हाँ हमने तो इतने लगा दिए, एंड दे गेट सेटिस्फेक्शन, दे पुट इन देयर रिपोर्ट, ESG या CSR रिपोर्ट में वो लगा देंगे एंड दैट देयर जॉब इज डन। बट बाय हैविंग अ डिस्कशन विथ यू आई अंडरस्टूड कि आप तो जेन्युइनली हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं फॉर द गुड कॉज, बट दूसरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी होते होंगे जो वो भी कर रहे होंगे गुड कॉज के लिए हार्ड वर्क, डेफिनेटली जेन्युइन वर्क, बट ऑल्सो सम केसेस कुछ ऐसा होता है, सुनने में आता है आपको दैट समवेयर फलाना इन मुंबई और फलाना इन दिल्ली कंपनी ने 50,000 ट्रीज का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिया और लगाए 10,000 है या 40,000 है, या समवेयर केरला में हुआ है या बेंगलोर में हुआ है या चंडीगढ़ में हुआ है, XYZ. Have you ever heard these things or stories in this industry as well?
Yeah. So I would answer it in a way. See, it is not a product. कि सपोज एक मोबाइल लॉन्च होना है या फिर एक कंप्यूटर है, कोई गैजेट है, सो दीज आर द कॉम्पिटिटर कि आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस इतना है एंड समथिंग लाइक दैट, बिकॉज पेज बहुत बड़ा है। आप जितना कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाए कम है, कभी खत्म ही नहीं होना है। हमने पिछले 100 सालों में या 50 सालों में जितना बिगाड़ा है,
हाँ।
उसको फिक्स करने में हमें 200 साल लगने वाले हैं।
Absolutely.
सो स्पेस की विलिंगनेस की फाइट ही नहीं है।
Okay.
So everyone is willing towards the contribution जो लोग, and वैसे भी this is the field which is somewhere related to the sentiments related to good cause.
Okay.
So many of the organization are doing really great. Yes, are they successful or not? That's a different case.
Right.
क्योंकि हम भी लर्निंग करते हैं।
Right.
कई बार कोई प्रोजेक्ट किसी के नहीं सर्वाइव होते हैं ड्यू टू मे बी टेक्निकल रीजन, कभी फायर फॉरेस्ट की वजह से है या फिर कोई पेस्ट अटैक हो गया है, मे बी फ्लड हो गया है, तो देयर आर मल्टीपल रीजन। सो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से दैट कि इफ दिस इज ट्रू कि दे आर जेन्युइनली नॉट पुटिंग द एफर्ट्स, और इट माइट बी अदर वे राउंड एज वेल, बिकॉज इफ आई एम ऑन द ग्राउंड, आई नो कि नेचुरल कैलामिटीज होती है। सो इफ यू आर लिसनिंग इन अ न्यूज कि बस ये लगा दिए कहाँ गए, sometime it might not be the true.
Okay.
And of course, maybe sometime, but gradually I have seen from the corporate side as well, people are more focusing on checking the life cycle of the project.
Okay.
And from the implementation partner side as well, because see, उतना पैसा तो लगा ही रहे हैं,
Right.
अगर उसको हम अच्छे से SOPs के थ्रू तरीके से लगाएंगे तो it will be helpful.
Okay.
So I'm finding a more swift shift towards this कि everybody is working more towards a betterment.
Okay.
And बहुत सारा काम है करने के लिए, जितने लोग एफर्ट्स डालेंगे कम है।
एब्सोल्युटली।
Yeah.
आपके 10 साल से ज़्यादा आप इस इंडस्ट्री में हैं और प्लांटेशन कर रहे हैं, काफ़ी कॉरपोरेट से जुड़े हुए हैं और कॉरपोरेट्स दूसरे कॉरपोरेट से जुड़ा हुआ है और गवर्नमेंट से जुड़ा हुआ है। क्या हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी को भी इंस्पिरेशन आपके जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से मिली है कि एक पेड़ माँ का नाम जो अभियान है उनका, एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, and that worked very well.
Yes.
That worked very well in the government, in the different departments, sectors, industries, private. As an individual, we get motivation because he is a country leader.
Yes. Yeah.
जब वो बोलते हैं तो there is a cause, there is an initiative, and there is a logic and reason in his statements, and we observe a lot of things. तो उससे भी आपको वाइस वर्सा हो सकता है ये?
Yes.
क्या
So I would say it's more vice versa, because मैं ये तो नहीं जानती कि उनको इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिली है, लेकिन if you see at some point of a time he took initiative as a leader कि now we'll do plant gifting more, and that become a trend. लोगों ने प्लांट ज्यादा गिफ्ट करने शुरू किए, लोगों ने एक दूसरे के लिए बर्थडेज पे या और किसी चीजों पे, जैसे हम दान करते हैं हिंदू धर्म में अगर मैं कहूँ तो, हमने प्लांट लगाने शुरू किए।
Right.
दैट इज बेटर फॉर द एनवायरमेंट। एंड one point of time he mentioned that word Miyawaki forest. People become more aware to support the leader, and like awareness has been created because बहुत सारी चीजें लीडर्स के थ्रू फ्लो होती हैं। सो व्हेन दैट Miyawaki come, many corporates and like many people want to contribute towards that Miyawaki thing.
Okay.
So you are true कि जैसे जैसे हर बार, and of course the government other policies, suppose maybe it's a green credit towards carbon credit, and everything is like that. So that is going to contribute towards the greener future. So as a leader, I didn't know from where he get the inspiration, but that is for sure whenever he is speaking any topic regarding that, जैसे वही last year माँ के नाम एक पेड़ माँ के नाम, many of the corporates are coming to us and like joining themselves with that vision only.
Okay.
This year only for Mahindra we did a tree plantation for this campaign only, एक पेड़ माँ के, क्योंकि सारे employees ने एक पेड़ माँ के नाम ही लगाया. So of course when our leader also have these things in their thought process, and if it is been into the thought leadership of our country, it is helpful for everyone.
Right. And definitely we have been observing that very good corporates are not just working towards the profit only.
Yeah.
एक उनका good cause होता है, जैसे हमारे रतन टाटा सर थे,
बिल्कुल.
एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव हर चीज को लेकर वो करते थे. एंड रिसेंटली हमारे जो आनंद महिंद्रा सर हैं, दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी गुड पर्सन by heart, as what I have observed, that he always praises people for something good initiatives, yeah, something good unique thing they do, or any innovation comes into the industry, he always supports. And definitely it is not surprising for us कि उनकी कंपनी ने एक पेड़ माँ के नाम किया है. एज अ गुड लीडर डेफिनेटली ये विजन और सोच एक एम्प्लॉइज और हर एक
Yes.
लेवल तक जाती है. तो वी थैंक यू फॉर दिस इनिशिएटिव फॉर द महिंद्रा.
And in fact, if you check, like, so it's not only about the CSR and some compliances, because there is a website 1T.org, which is like after Paris Agreement. So many corporates has been taken pledge on that website. Okay. मतलब with their vision of that they will plant this much number by this year to contribute towards the environment.
Okay.
So if you go and check from India, there are many. Adani already has taken that pledge. Apollo Tyres already had taken pledge. Dr. Reddy's has taken pledge. So if you go and check, there are many already have taken pledge and working towards
What's achieving that?
goal of planting this much of tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा, ये carbon credit, what does that carbon credit system works? Let's say if any corporate is contributing towards CSR or ESG or for no reason as well, and contracting you regarding X number of trees in the specific region or land parcel, how does that green credit or carbon credit thing works? Or have you been working, or did you think of, or are you something into the carbon credit market? Because I believe it is some sort of investment required, and apart from investment, it is also an incentive. It is a benefit that gives motivation towards the good cause that you are doing towards the environment, and gets the monetary gain after a certain period of time to do another good work for the environment. So are you, or these corporates are doing something?
Yes. So I'll just answer a question one by one. So what is carbon credit? So as we discussed earlier, also some policies are for good. So with this carbon credit policies, it is designed in a way so that contribution towards the environment is maximum. So what is carbon credit is, in a very layman language, it's a pay slip for the company कि वो कितना फुटप्रिंट जनरेट कर सकते हैं और अभी ऑफसेट करने के लिए उनको कितना और अच्छा काम करना है या फिर एनवायरनमेंट में कंट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो सपोज आई एम अ कंपनी, maybe different industries have different bars. So suppose I'm one tech company or whatever it is in whichever field. So I have that limit of generating these much of carbons. So as a company, there are two things. One, I should analyze my processes. Suppose if we are sitting here, we are doing a podcast, these lights are there, camera is there, AC is there, fan is there, and I travel from some location, you travel from some location. So there is a cycle of like we are generating some carbon footprint. So as an organization with every process, scope 1, scope 2, scope 3, we should calculate how much carbon we are generating as an organization. Second step is just improve your processes and with the sustainability practices and mindful consumption, some modification in the process, we can reduce that carbon emission.
Like strategic initiatives and
maybe we
energy
can use
consumptions.
renewables,
Okay.
like for all the lights in the building, and maybe we can use some automatic switches कि अपने आप light बंद हो रहा है, just some sensor based, suppose some control on the AC temperature, or maybe there are multiple things we can do. So that way we can reduce that कार्बन इमिशन, कार्बन फुटप्रिंट. अभी भी जो बच गया है तो उसके लिए one of the thing is you can do tree plantation.
Okay.
So now suppose मेरे पास एक number है, I am allowed to generate this much of carbon. अब जो बचा, अगर मेरा generation उससे ज्यादा हो गया है, to offset that I have to do some tree plantations. And suppose नहीं भी है, अगर मैंने बहुत सारा tree plantations कर लिया है, so उसके बदले there will be the carbon credits which I can
Earn.
buy and sell. हाँ, अभी मैंने earn कर लिए, अगर मेरे पास ज्यादा है तो I can sell them, अगर मेरे पास कम है तो I can ask somebody else to purchase them.
Purchase.
It's work like that.
Okay.
So there are policies in India, like it's very good practices in Europe and other
Developed countries.
developed countries. In India, it's still in draft.
Okay.
We are progressing enough to see future.
Okay.
But the good part is now the corporates are more aware about, yes, there is a term carbon credit. This is more sustainable. Like the policies are like that. So the project are for 20 years and
Okay.
40 years of tenure.
Okay.
So जितनी ज्यादा दिनों तक आपका पेड़ है, जिंदा है, it is
It
going
would
to
be capture more carbon, right?
more carbon. So corporates are also now they are looking for कि अगर हम tree plantation कर ही रहे हैं, we can do it in a way so it is eligible for carbon credits as well.
Okay.
Because every project and every tree is not eligible.
Right.
So there are certain guidelines कि land selection कैसा होना चाहिए. अब ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि already पेड़ लगे थे, आपने काटे और अपने पेड़ लगा दिए. That is not eligible.
वो तो सब लोग करने
वो तो सब
start हो
लोग कर
जाएंगे.
सकते हैं. हाँ,
Right.
तो like the carbon credit policies are designed, I would say, in a very good way. Like very
Additional you are
हाँ, कि
Okay.
what additional you are doing, that is going to
Okay.
कि आप पिछले 1-2 साल के retrospectively आप register कर सकते हो project,
Okay.
but उससे पुराने नहीं. And it is good thing because carbon credit is asking for new and new plantation or more contribution in a way. So there are steps. So there are registries also. Abhi maybe you want to like register your project on Vera or Gold Standard.
Mhm.
According to that, there are steps you should have follow to implement that project in a way. किस टाइप का लैंड होना चाहिए, फिर फार्मर्स के साथ हमें किस टाइप के पेड़ लगाने चाहिए जो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कार्बन सिक्वेस्ट्रेशन करते हो, जिनका टेन्योर ज़्यादा हो, प्रोजेक्ट्स कितने अच्छे हैं उसकी रेटिंग होती है कि कितने ज़्यादा बायोडाइवर्स हैं, कितनी मल्टीपल स्पीशीज लगी हैं, कितना सॉइल का इम्प्रूवमेंट है. All those things has been captured and monitored during this, and then like in a way you can register your project and you can redeem the
Oh.
on the credit and you can use them in a market for buying and selling purpose.
Okay.
And yes, we are also into discussions with the corporate to starting bigger projects this years because carbon credit जैसे अगर आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट अगर रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है तो वेरी बेसिक द कॉस्ट ऑफ रजिस्ट्री, द कॉस्ट ऑफ compliances you have to follow, data collection and all those things, it itself takes somewhere around like more than 75 lakhs plus. So बहुत छोटा 1-2 हज़ार नहीं, you have to do a bigger number,
number.
maybe 10 lakh 20 lakh trees, then it is like you can get that cost
Viable.
हाँ फाइनेंशियली वायबल. तब आपको फिर धीरे धीरे एंड ROI भी एक टाइम के बाद आता है. सो इन अ वे, सो दिस ईयर hopefully we'll be able, like we are planning and we are doing a feasibility analysis right now. Yes, currently also we are doing projects with the corporate. Suppose if I would like to mention Apollo Tires, we are doing that project and they are also looking forward to generate carbon credits from that project.
Okay.
So we did their project in Andhra Pradesh, Tada with the farmers. The last year we like in continuation to that, this year we are doing it in Baroda and like looking forward to doing in 2 more states.
Okay.
As at the same time we are working with Bajaj Allianz, they are also looking forward for registering their project to carbon credits. So yes, with many of the corporates we already started that journey, and this year we are already into the feasibility analysis and will be able to do the bigger
Bigger.
project at one time.
That's good thing. So how do you think that you would see the plantation drives overall in India from different purposes, causes and initiatives? हम कितना अचीव कर सकते हैं और how many trees we would be able to see, or you as an individual or as an organization grow billion trees. आपका organization का नाम ही है grow billion trees, and I believe billion number is not that easy to achieve. And you mentioned you have achieved so far 2.5 million. So there is a lot and a long way
It's a
to
big-
go.
yeah.
So where do you see this organization in having collaboration with multiple corporates next 5 years or 20 years or 30 years? में आप, how do you observe or imagine the community or the areas of India?
So I would say like as awareness is already like more and more.
Mhm.
सब लोग ज़्यादा जागरूक हो रहे हैं. Individuals are more towards doing tree plantations, and of course organizations are also looking more. So as like in Vanti.org, if you go and see, Gautam Madani already have taken a pledge for 100 million.
Okay.
Apollo Dias already have taken pledge for 1 million. So अगर हम देखें, अगर हम सारे corporates के भी अगर गोल उठा के देखें, individual के देखें, of course it's a big number,
Right.
but maybe in 5-10 years we'll be able to do good as a nation in terms of sustainability,
Okay.
because India also having a goal of carbon neutral by 27.
Right.
So in a way, if our leader are already set it up the path, somewhere it is going to be executed. So maybe it will be helpful for
That's
everyone.
good,
In that
right.
way, we'll be able to achieve it.
Nidhi ji, what would you like to suggest or advise to our viewers as an individual or as an organization, if someone is working in any of the sector or industry or company or government, if they are willing to or have wish in their heart or thought process to do plantation, how would you like to advise them or suggest them?
So, like as we already discussed, one tree can sequester up to 22.7 kg of carbon. So, मोटा मोटा अगर आप पकड़ो कि एक tree 20 kg carbon sequester करता है, lifespan of that tree, average lifespan is say suppose 20 years. So, that is 400 kg of carbon sequestration from a tree. And if we talk about average Indian carbon footprint, that is somewhere around 2 to 2.5 tons per year.
Okay.
That is a very like below from the global average. That is more than 6 tons. So if you do a basic math, अगर हर इंडिविजुअल एक साल में 4 से 5 पेड़ भी लगाता है,
Okay.
सो ड्यूरिंग आवर लाइफ स्पैन, एज हम 7 से 80 साल जीते हैं, अगर हम पूरा कैलकुलेशन करें, दोज आर सफिशिएंट इनफ टू ऑफसेट आवर कार्बन फुटप्रिंट.
जितना आप साल में एनर्जी, मोबाइल फोन, टेलीविजन,
सारी
फ्रिज,
चीजों पे
कुकिंग, ट्रैवलिंग कुछ भी करते हैं,
भी कर
वो सब कुछ आपका इक्वली ऑफसेट हो जाएगा. दैट यू हैव whatever resources you have used, and that equally offsets your consumption of carbon or the energy towards this 4 to 5 trees.
4 to 5
and
trees. I'm not
trees.
just talking about the gardening plants or maybe big trees in a way, if you have to contribute. So
Okay.
why can't we just make it
A habit.
give this place habit? So every other month we have something to celebrate. Why don't we just plant one tree along with that celebration?
Right.
इतने सारे त्योहार आते हैं हमारे, उसके अलावा एनिवर्सरीज आती हैं, बर्थडेज आते हैं, किसी दिन हम बहुत खुश हुए हैं,
Right.
कुछ तो करते हैं, दान करते हैं. Why don't we just give the simple allocation of amount to the tree plantation as well?
Right.
So it will be helpful and it will be beneficial for everyone, for the climate, for
Right.
us also, and for the future generations to come.
Mhm. So definitely after having this thoughtful initiatives and advice from Nidhiji's, the third thing I believe as part of doing the tree plantation, अगर हम tree plantation करते हैं तो first हमारा था that we get fruits or vegetables or maybe flowers. Second thing, if it's on a large number, we get benefits through carbon credit incentives. And third thing, it is a fresh oxygen and the good cause for the environment, and to maintain the global temperature we are doing some of our point decimal contribution, which if an individual as in us, for all of the community members, if we take this initiative, it would be a big and larger impact in the society. So this is the third benefit, because if it is not taking care today, it will be more catastrophic when it is said and done that the climate is going to create a lot of trouble, not for us, but for the next generation, for our upcoming generation. We need to do something meaningful today. So we advise and believe and hope that everyone have this mindset, initiatives, willingness, or wish to do something good for the environment. So let's plant more trees, and not just planting them. It is important for us to maintain them, to help them to grow, to support them, to understand the species, to understand the nature, the weather, the climate. And if you need any help, you can contact the Grow Billion Trees organization. They are always here to support, to teach, to mentor you, and definitely support you in any initiative you are taking in any part of India. तो ये था आज का एपिसोड, एक मीनिंगफुल कॉन्वर्जेशन on how sustainability impacts and initiatives truly matters towards the environment, towards the climate, towards the society. And Nidhi ji, thank you once again for joining us and having the insights about how actually the ground level things work in plantation, and it is really helpful for our viewers that they get some understanding about why it is important to understand the nature and behavior of the plant and the climate, not just कि आप एक पौधा ले आए और उसको पॉट में लगा दिया है. It is important to do the analysis or pre-assessment to understand more about that particular plant or tree, so it gets a good growth and a more sustainable life of that particular tree. So ऐसे ही more environment और sustainability के topics और conversations के लिए don't forget to like, share, subscribe the Climate OTV podcast. Let's keep growing the greener initiatives for the good cause towards the environment.